Hello everyone, myself Pooja Gupta and welcome to my channel. It's a huge welcome to you all. It's our day 4 of our consistency and I am here solving a LeetCode questions and kind of a questions that are related to DSA. So a huge welcome to you all. Please subscribe my channel and so let's continue with our new question that we are taking it. I'm taking it. So today I am taking a LeetCode question. The question number is 747. The title of the question is largest number at least twice of others. So we have to find a largest number which is a twice of other. As the question title, it is clear that what we have to do, and it is an easy level of question. Of course, the question title will explain the question's procedure, so it is an easy level question. The topic is related to mathematics and array-based question. Now, let's continue with the description of the question. So, in the description, they've given that you are given the integer array norms, where the largest integer is unique. It means we have given the integer we have given a num array which having the largest number, which is a unique. Here, the unique implies that the number which is a largest is only once. It is not here that I explained this question that if we having a num, so the largest number, let's consider that the 4 is the largest number. So if 4 is the largest number, that means that the 4 is only appear once in the array. And it is not like that 1, 4, then 4 is again larger than 4. It is not the array which is given. So I think we are clear that what is the array num and what is not array num. Let's continue. Now, we have to determine whether the largest number in an array is at least twice as much as every other number in the given array. If it is, then return the index to the largest element or return -1 otherwise. So I will explain the question with taking the example 1. So here, let's consider that the num is 3, 6, 1 and 0. So it is understood that the 6 is the largest number. So the 6 is a twice of the others. Yeah. On twising the 3, we will get 6. On twising 1, we will get 2, and of course multiplying anything by 0 will give us 0. So 6 is a twice of first index, that is a 3. Yes, it is 6. It is not compared by itself. Okay, and then 6 is a twice of 1. Yes, it is, because that is larger than 6. It is a larger than 6, larger than index 2. Yeah, it is. The index 2 it is a 1 and twice of 1 is 2 and it is smaller than 6. Then last one, third. So it is it is following all the largest number with the twice of the others. So it will return the index of 6, which is 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So it will give us 1 in the output. Yeah, it is giving us 1 in output. Now consider one more, which is if num equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now we have to give that. Now we know that the 4 is the largest of the number. Okay. And now twice all the things, all the elements of the array. So 1 twice is 2, 2 twice is 4, and 4 twice is 6. And we have this. We have to find that here. So is 4 is a twice the twice of 2 is greater than 4? Yeah, because is a twice or twice of 1 is a twice of 2 is less than 4? Yes, it is less than equal to 8. Is the twice of 3 is less than 4? No, because the twice of 3 is a 6. So 6 is greater than 4. So here the main term, the largest number at least twice of the other was giving false, was being false. Here the condition is breaking. So for the sake of reason, it will return -1. Is it written -1? Yeah, it is written -1. That's it. Now continue description. So one of the most important things we have to follow in this is the constraint. So the length of the num will be the size of num is will be 2. It means maybe in the array 2 elements or is less than equals to 50 element. At least maybe it may be 15 element. It's a ranges. Array contain 2 to 50 elements, and the number in the array will be 0 to 100 number. Any number between 0 to 100 will be in array, and the largest number in num is unique. Yeah, it will also describe told here that the yeah yeah uh, yeah given integer array nums where the largest integer is unique. So it is also because the largest number is already unique. I told in the first. So let's continue with the boilerplate code. First of all, we have to find the largest. So there are two things that we can find. There two ways of finding it. I will tell you both two. No, if I store the question, no, because we have to find the index, so we can't use the built-in methods like arrays.sort. So it will sort the array and also the index of the particular element will change. So we can't do this. We will use traditional method, that is for int I equals to 0, I less than equal to nums dot yeah, -1 and I plus plus. Yeah, in my most of loops, I use that I is less than equal to num dot let -1. But today I will use something different, that I is not equal, not less than equal to, but I is less than not num length -1. It is also similar to the quite similar. So it will be visible. Yeah. I is in my most of question, I'm using the condition that I is less than equal to nums dot length -1. Yeah, these and this both conditions are similar. We have to just that if it is equal to, then I am just shorting the num length by 1, which is that if the, because it will give the number of the element, and the indexing of array starts from 0. So if I will iterate the array to the number of the element, let's consider that the particular this array. So if I will iterate it from I equals to 0, I equals to 0 to I equals to 4. So it will give me the exception with the array bound of exception, that the array the iterating is out of bound or kind of thing. So if I am using this thing, if I am using this, so I will just put that I don't length. It means I will be less than 4. So it will continue till 3, because if I is less than, this 3 is less than 4, till the I is equal to 3. When I will be 4, it will automatically close the loop. And for this condition, I is starting that I equals to 0, and here I will put the num's length -1. So num's length is 4 and -1 is 3. So I will iterate from 0 to 3. Both the things are same. We have to just understand the things. So let's continue with the next thing. Let's comment it because it was not so important. Now, so if I am here to find the max, so I have to just take integer number. It will show that integer dot so next value. So it will give us the next value. Also, this is the by default value, which is Okay, I'm thinking I'm using new value here. Sorry guys, I'm just by default the smallest value of the integer will be stored here because we have to find the max. We can also use here that the uh, int max equals to nums 0. So it will initialize with the first element of the array, but I don't want to do that, so I am just using the thing because I don't need to hard it. So I will here using that the max will be small than nums I. Here nums I will point the element which is particular index. So if num will be less, max is less than nums I, so I just do that, put the max nums I will be initialized, max will be initialized with the nums I, and also in the question what is that I have to return the index. So if the particular element is greater than, so I have to also take the index. So I will also, sorry, I'm just have to write here int index equals to -1. Why I'm using index equal to minus, I can use also 0, but I'm just using that index -1 because I don't want to make an extra condition that if num equal to 0, then I have to put things. No, I don't want to do. So I'm just using index equals to -1. So index equals to I. So it will directly initialize the index with the I. Now I have to, it will do my all the things for the maximum. So I just commenting here that look for max number. Now I have to do main thing here. I have to find the largest number. Let the largest number. Look for finding the largest number, which is twice it rather. So I am using just a for loop. I also use a for each loop, like I equals to 0, I is less than equal to nums dot length -1 and I plus this. You can show that I am here using the term nums is less than nums is less than nums dot length, and here I am using the nums I is less than equal to num dot length nums dot length -1 because both are doing the same thing. But I just want to use the other way. I can also use the for loop. Int I tends to yes. So for this I am using here that if max is at least greater than the price of I have to put that at price now. So I am just here reversing the condition with nums I. So what I have to do, I have to just return -1, otherwise I have to return out of the loop, return max. That's it. Now I have to run the code. Sorry, what's your name? Oh, I am just doing the wrong thing here because I have to put I here, not the num. Because in the for each loop, I have the extension of for loop, and the values of I will. What's this happening? Expected design and y is giving 3. Returning the I have to return the index now. Index is I. Yeah, it is giving an error. Yeah. It is a reason that we have find the greatest number. Okay. So when we are using a loop, when we are again iterating through a loop, we are not specifying that where you have to stop the thing. So for that reason, I have to just do one thing, that num index equal to, that's it. You have to put. So I think you get my point that why I'm using the nums index equals to -1, because, and also I have to just put a small thing that it was stating that mm, if num is less than I am using a condition that is opposite to the thing, opposite to our main task, because if I use the similar, so it will give me an index, and I don't want to. I would then return 1 when it is false. I'm just using a false condition also here, and I'll just tell you the thing that how all these things will work, and also why it is main important that I have to initialize the nums index with -1. So I was just using this thing 3, 6, 1 and 0. On pricing all the things, I know that largest is 6. On pricing all the things, I will get 6, 36, it's 2 and then C. So is a 6 is greater, sorry, is a 6 is greater than 2? Yes, it is. Is a 6 is is greater than 36? No, is it not? So maybe the condition will be false here. So I have to just think that I have to just put the things that I have to put the things that yeah, it will give me a false condition, that it will give me a -1 here, because this condition will be fails here. So I have to just put the 6 -1 here. You get my point? That the main point is that 6 is the greatest. I have to show that 6 is greatest, but the twice of 6 will also be here. So if the twice of a 6 will be here, so it will give me a error here, because it will give me a 36. That's why I have just to put -1 here. It will be same here also, uh, in this thing. So now I just put -1 here in price of thing, return 1, index return, and now I'm ready to run the question. Let's set it in the course. Yeah, both the test cases are accepted that the, yeah, greatest is 6 and the price is greater, yeah, and also 1 2 3 6, okay, 1 2 3 4, and the largest is 4, but the price is greater than the this price is greater than 4, so -1. Now go to submit. We have to submit the code. Yeah, it will accept it. Oh, we are updating 100%, because our code is just so much optimized on analyzing the runtime complexity, and subscribe it. It was not giving me. I am not subscribed. So go, let's get it from. So we did 100% for time complexity, and for memory we are between 8.50%. Yeah. Now I have to explain the thing that why our memory in a space complexity we are beating such a less amount of percent, because first of all the thing that we are using a for loop twice. So when you're using a for loop, so it will take a memory more, because it have to iterate once for a max, and then iterate again for a finding the per thing that it's returning -1 or not. So it is a quite good or not. So for the sake of reason, we have a less number of space complex. I think I have done with this question. If you have any kind of anything that you have to ask me, just comment in a chat box. I will surely reply you if I get your point. And I'm just saying that instead of asking me, ask ChatGPT, because it is more intelligent than me. So subscribe my channel and have a good day, and bye bye. Thank you.